blockchain.info. So let's also create our wallet in this platform. Let's see why is this so famous. Let's understand the transaction fees. And this is one of the few exchanges or wallets that can adapt their transaction fee. When you want to send a Bitcoin or 2 Bitcoins or a fraction of these Bitcoins, their fees are really reduced. Let's practice this now. Blockchain.info. Blockchain.info. In this wallet, guys, you have an enormous differential. Okay, very few wallets and very few exchanges will give you that. Every time you perform a transaction into Bitcoins, according to the amount you're going to send, this fee is changed. Okay, in the blockchain.info, you can perform transactions in a smaller volume and you're not going to receive such a high fee. So for example, if you perform a transaction at Poloniex, you have an average of 50,000, 100,000 Satoshis. When you send it through blockchain, your fee is really small. They put all of these fees in a transaction and they reduce, okay, the price for the fees. They let's say they gather all these transactions to have a smaller fee. All the transactions that are happening. So let's go to our login. Okay, get a free wallet. So if you have problems with English, remember you can translate. Use the right click on Google Chrome and translate to your local language. So get a free wallet. So I'm going to email. It wants my email, password, and the other password. And the same password actually repeated. So I'm going to put the email curso@trader@gmail.com. So I'm going to open the email so we can validate it at once. Okay, it's open. Our password. Repeat my password. Keep in mind to always put a password with lots of characters, numbers, special characters, okay, numbers and letters. Always remember to make a complex password that you will remember. So this is the terms of contract, the contract terms. So, and it's actually telling you in a very direct way, if you lose your key, you will lose access to your account. So if anybody hacks into your account, if you don't have the verification, the two-step verification, you will lose access to your account. Okay? So remember, this is not a bank. You cannot walk to a bank and show that you are yourself and say, hey, this is me, I want my account back. Okay? This is never going to work. So wallet created with identifier. So we already logged in. Our wallet has been created. And we automatically accessed it. So it's going to show me how to use my wallet, and I can already receive. So let's receive our Bitcoins safely, okay? So we have Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum, and these are the only 3 ones, okay? Bitcoin, Ether, and Bitcoin Cash. So it has just started its process of exchange. But here, for example, you can see there are no 300 cryptocurrencies. You have only 3. So let's protect our wallet. So security center. So let's validate our email. So you have level 1, level 2, and level 3 security. Okay, for security, for protection. So first of all, let's validate our email. This is my email. This is your wallet number. You cannot lose it. Okay, your transactions will be based on your wallet. So when you update it, okay, it's already updated, verified. Okay. So let's go again. Let's access again. Now it's asking my ID. I'm going to use my password again. It's asking me to enter my password again. Google is trying to offer me to save. I don't want that. So let's go to the security center email has been validated. My security password. So I'm going to put it right here. But remember, never ever show your password or pass sentence to anybody, because this is your master key, okay, to your accounts. When you want to import your wallet to another place. So I'm going to create a sentence. It's so important that the website asks you to print this, and also recommends that you would write down your sentence, okay? So it's going to show us the first 4 words, and I have to copy them. I'm going to put them here on the notepad. Let's go for the next part. Another 4 words. Okay, let's back them up. Okay, here we go. Another 4, and we are done. Now with our backup ready, I have to enable. I'm going to click in advanced and or last part of it, and it's going to ask me some of the words, okay? Just to guarantee that I've made the backup. So it wants the 11th word. I'll copy and paste. The 9th word, acid. And it wants our 3rd word, which is defy. And the 8th word, which is radio. Let's copy and paste it and finish. If our key matches, if everything's okay, it's going to enable it, okay, successfully. So you cannot lose these words, okay? Save these words. If you lose access to your computer or your phone, you can always create a new account in the blockchain, and you can import all your currencies. So don't lose this. Make a backup, send it to an email, send it somewhere, have it printed, and keep it in a very safe place. Okay, so I'm putting here blockchain security sentence. I'm writing it down here, and I'm saving it. So remember, print it. Okay, it's one of the best ways to protect it. So let's go for the second level. So let's enable the 2-step verification and enable also our cell phone number, okay, and connect the account to our phone number. So I'm going to use my phone number here. I'm going to put my number, area, country code, which is Brazil in my case, area code, and the number. So it's going to send you an SMS with the 2-step authentication, okay? And this is going to connect your phone to your account. I'm not going to do it here, okay? I'm going to enable the 2-step verification. This is the most important one. So again, we must have this screen, okay? After you've downloaded Google Authenticator, you're going to click on plus, and you're going to scan the QR code, okay? Here is asking me to use Google Authenticator again, or cell phone number. I want to use Google Authenticator. So here I am. Here is the QR code. I'm going to get my phone, and I will scan this QR code. I'm going to click on plus on my phone. I'm going to add here. I'm going to click add, read QR code on my phone. This is on the phone, okay? Point it to the screen, and I already have this QR code for this account. And it's showing me a 3-digit number. 400, oops, it's going to change. 926, 498. So I'm going to enable a 2-step or 2-factor authentication, okay? This is one of the most important things. Make the backup of this. If you lose the access to your account for any reason, this will enable you to rescan it with another phone, to rescan it with a new phone, and you won't lose access to your account, okay? So I'm going to save this as a backup again, okay? These backups are very, very important. So I'm going to put here backup from blockchain. So this is my blockchain wallet backup. So 2FA, which is the two-factor authentication, and now I am secure. The number has changed again, okay, because 30 seconds have already passed. Let's go again. Now my new number is 114, 148, and it's okay. So I'm going to close it. So now I can block the solicitations via Tor. All the solicitations that come out of the internet, out of the conventional internet, or from bots or deep web, all of them will be blocked, okay? This is an extra security, and that is it. We are already enabled to receive our Bitcoins. So if we need to go out of our account, to log out of our account and come back. So this is a survey, okay? You don't have to answer to this, to respond to the survey. So my wallet ID. Every time I'm going to have to use my password. I'm going to type it. And now it's asking me for my Google Authenticator, okay? I am going to my phone again. I'm looking at the numbers right now in real time. And right now it's 912, 602. And I'm going to click connect or enter. That's it. Our account is already up and running. If you want to see the amount of currency that you have, let's see Bitcoin. If you want to send Bitcoins to someone, you're going to simply click on paste the person's wallet number, and you're going to click in send. If you want to receive, you're going to send your wallet or see the QR code and send this person your QR code to do the automatic transaction, and that's it. And you can receive Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. Send and receive. Oh, this is your QR code from your wallet, okay? Configurations were successfully concluded. In case you would like to do another test, you have configurations. Okay, you have some other different backups. Okay, if you haven't done them, but this is not what we're interested in doing right now. We just want to use our wallet right now. This is one known as one of the most famous and safe. Okay. Now we can receive in our address. Okay, this is our wallet with our password, two-step verification. Everything has been stored and protected. That's it for this class. Thank you. Let's go for the next one.